Konnichiwa guys! Another day, another Japan trip with me na may kasamang walkthrough. If you are looking for a less crowded place to trip in Tokyo, let me take you to Shinkoiwa. Hindi siya kasing sikat ng ibang shopping areas, but that's exactly why I like coming here. Shinkoiwa has local atmosphere with lively resident neighborhood here in Eastern Tokyo. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga affordable shopping, it is popular for both resident and visitors na gustong maka-experience ng everyday Tokyo. One of the highlights here is the Lumiere Shopping Street. If I will to describe it, it has a long lane full of shops, not only for ukay, not only for thrift store, recycle store, but for restaurants, food, fruits, clothing, fashion. Ang dami talaga dito guys. Hindi kayo mahihirapang mag-check ng mga stores dito kasi tabi-tabi lang siya guys. And yung mga kanto din, pwede nyong pasukin dahil meron ding mga stores and restaurants doon. Every store has something different. Pero kaya ko ginawa yung video na to para i-share sa inyo na maraming thrift store, recycle store dito na pwede nyong pasukin, puntahan at pagpilian. Here in the video guys, makikita nyo yung mga store na napuntahan namin. Kung gusto nyo tandaan, pause and zoom nyo na lang. Hindi rin kayo mahihirapan na hanapin yan dito sa Lumiere Shopping Street kasi sabi ko nga, isang diretso to na mahabang lane ng mga shopping areas, restos, mga boutique. It is also easy to go here kasi may mga direct access to from Akihabara, Tokyo, and Chiba Station. And for the price, alam ko naman yung iba dyan magtatanong, April, kamusta yung price? Tourist trap ba? For my opinion only, the prices are very friendly, very local. I think it is because na most of the goers, the buyers, the people who go here are residents. Anyways guys, paglabas nyo kasi talaga dito, mga bahay-bahay, mga neighborhood na talaga, and sobrang lapit talaga sa mga bahay to. So parang normal shopping area lang nila to. Though may mga nag-offer naman dito ng mga tax-free, huwag kayong mag-alala guys. After ng pag-iikot, paglalakad, pag-shopping, pag-window shopping, hindi kayo magugutom, hindi kayo mahihirapang maghanap ng mga restaurants kasi it has a plenty and full of choices. I hope this video can help your itinerary here in Tokyo. And if you know some places like this, comment down below. Baka doon naman tayo magpunta. So, yun lang. Follow me for more. Bye!